Right, next video, what we're going to do is we are going to put some shafts on our gears and we're going to make one of them spin. Okay, let's go. I'll show us that. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the shaft in. To do that, I'm just going to place a thing through the middle of this spur gear here. To make sure I get it right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this down and I'm going to go into the sketches. I'm going to turn on the bottom sketch here. I'm just going to extrude. It's asking me to capture the position, that's fine. I'm going to extrude this face here from the middle, and I'm going to pull this up. Now, I'm not that worried about how far I'm going to pull it up, but in this instance here, I'm just going to make sure that what I'm doing here is creating a new component, because what I'm going to do is I am going to make these join against each other. Just for completeness, what I'll do here is I'll also put a thread onto here. Again, what I'll do is I'll model it. In terms of the full length, I'm going to deselect that. I'm going to make sure that it just goes 5 millimeters. And that should be so as it meshes inside this gear here. Okay, so what I now want to do is I now want to go to my assemble. Now these ones here, we're going to use the as built joint command. So, and what we're going to do is we are going to joint the large tooth gear there, and we're going to joint it with the kind of shaft going through the middle here. Now on here, what you'll do is you'll get a default, and it'll default as rigid. I'm going to change that to Revolute. And the only other thing that I need to do now is I need to decide where it's going to snap to. And the snap to point, I can choose, obviously, something that is going to be the middle. All of a sudden, what I've got now, and you can press the play button, that is my rotating joint. Okay. The next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to joint the next one, and then I'm going to create a motion link. I'll show you in the next video. Catch you later.